Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz, and today we're going to be making bread pudding, but we're going to be elevating it with apple, so we're actually technically making apple bread pudding. So instead of like your average bread pudding, and like take it up a notch, up here, if you guys can see my hands, boom. And we're gonna elevate it all the way and make some apple bread pudding. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, comment, leave me a like or something. And yeah, let's get on with the recipe.
Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing your 11 by 8 inch baking dish. Then to a large bowl, add in your 4 eggs, and I'm using a half moon whisk, but you can use whatever you have. Whisk everything until it is combined. You want your eggs to be scrambled pretty well, so I'm just going to do that until they are all cohesively combined. Once your 4 eggs are scrambled, add in a cup of milk, a cup of heavy cream, and a cup of sugar. Then you're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and then you're going to add in your allspice and your ground cinnamon, and of course your little splash of vanilla. Give that a quick stir until all the lumps are out, or the clumps of dry bits. You want everything to be incorporated perfectly well. You don't want any dryness from the spices. Then to my egg and milk mixture, I added my stale French bread that I just cubed up. I just sliced it, cut it into cubes until it kind of looked like this. I added that to my egg and milk mixture, and then I added my apples that I peeled, sliced, and cored. I left them kind of bigger, but you can definitely cut them smaller if you don't want that of big pieces. Mix up everything until it is combined. I'm using a rubber spatula. Let this mixture rest at room temperature for about an hour so the bread can really soak up all of those liquids. Then pour this into your prepared baking dish and flatten it out as much as you can. Then you want to put this in your preheated oven and bake it for around 40 minutes, 45 minutes, or until a knife comes out of the center clean. Pull it out of the oven, and then you are ready to serve it up. It should be slightly jiggly when you pull it out, kind of like a fun texture. So I pulled it out, and then I went ahead and sprinkled some powdered sugar on top of mine, but you can also sprinkle some chocolate or drizzle some caramel sauce on top, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to be using powdered sugar because I think that looks really pretty, but do whatever works for your household. And then you can also double this recipe if you are serving more people. This is perfect for like brunch or something like that. It's a perfect treat on a cold, chilly day when you want something warm and cozy, just because those flavors of the spices, the allspice and the cinnamon, work really well together. Once I was done sprinkling some powdered sugar on top of my apple bread pudding, I went ahead and served up a heaping portion on my plate. This would also be good with some ice cream, but don't tell anyone that I told you that. And I also added some more powdered sugar on top of it. It's really delicious. My apples actually cooked perfectly, even though they were slightly on the bigger side. If they're smaller, I'm a little worried that they might get mushy, but these worked really well this size. But again, you can cut them or cube them into smaller pieces. It's just whatever you prefer. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's really cozy, it's really delicious, and perfectly sweetened.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hopefully you guys recreate it. I hope you guys saw how easy bread pudding is, especially apple bread pudding. Just a little extra ingredient to bread pudding in my opinion. I feel like apples elevate any dessert, any recipe, so make sure you give it a try. If you do, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, so comment, like, subscribe. If you want to check out my other videos, check them out over here. Subscribe down below. And yeah, give me a like. Until next time, bye!